is Amy. I am a student at 평촌, and today I am going to talk about my favorite season. In Korea, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. There are many flowers in spring, and it's sunny in summer. There are many colorful leaves in fall, and it's snowy in winter. I think the worst season is summer because it is too hot. I feel bad when the weather is hot. But my favorite season is winter. Here are 2 reasons why I love winter. First of all, I can play many things with snow. There are many things I can do with snow. For example, I can build a snowman, or I can play snow fight with my friends. Last winter, I made a snowman and I felt proud of myself. Making it was fun and it was cute. Then my friend threw a snowball, so we had a snow fight. It was so fun and we played it again and again. Winter is the only season that it is snowy, so I can't play those things, so I usually feel bored when it isn't winter. I wish all seasons were snowy so that I can play with snow. In addition, there aren't many bugs during winter. Bugs are harmful for people. When bugs bite people's skin, it becomes itchy. Also, it is harmful for greens. Bugs make them hurt or die. However, there are not many bugs during winter because of the weather. The weather is cold in winter, so bugs cannot live. Bugs usually die when the temperature is low, so people can get less harmful effects from bugs. For instance, mosquitoes will not bite me, so I will not be itchy. In conclusion, my favorite season is winter for 2 reasons. First, I can play many things with snow. Second, there aren't many bugs during winter. Thank you for listening to my presentation.